For many companies, having an automated computer system is often limited to administrative and possibly bookkeeping functions. However, if companies are to become more competitive, now is the time to rethink how business is done and take advantage of all technology can offer. Perhaps nowhere else is this more important than in the surprisingly high-tech world of scrap metal yards. Here to explain how a once low-tech, labor-intensive industry can be turned into a model of efficiency is Tranact Payment Systems, Inc. It's easy to understand how many recycling companies and scrapyard operators would resist switching to a computerized system, a system that would require investing in both computers and personnel training. But what if the investment not only paid for itself, it actually saved the yard money and attracted more customers? And what if anyone technically savvy enough to withdraw money from their bank using an ATM card could easily operate the computer transactions for the yard?
Most scrap yards today are using computers to manage their business. This could be an Excel spreadsheet, QuickBooks, or even a complete yard management system. What makes our Scrap Dragon product unique is that we incorporate the computer into the scrap purchasing process itself. Using proven point-of-sale technology, we've streamlined the process and proven that this can work in a scrap yard. It improves customer service and helps you build your business, not just manage your business.
Many scrapyards mistakenly believe that their scale operators are too busy, too low-tech, or just too set in their ways to be entering transactions into a computer. But Tranact has simplified and streamlined this process to the degree that entering the transaction on the computer is actually faster than writing it by hand. There's no typing or technical skills required because it only takes one finger for this user-friendly touchscreen.
All around our operation, it's helped things out. First off, our customers are much happier because they collect on their transaction the minute they get their card. They go up to the ATM, they don't have to wait for a cashier. It's available to them when they want it. Our people are more productive now. We spend less time writing up tickets or clicking a mouse on a computer. Everything's just a touch screen now. Our customers are on the way. They can take care of answering the phone or dealing with customers, doing productive things. And for myself, it's been the biggest help of all. I can have any kind of information and reports available to me any time of the day. Morning, I can come in and see what we did the day before, the week, the month. I can change reports around, look at different permutations on things. It's just been the greatest thing. The ATM machine and the Scrap Dragon together has been a great combination for us. We've definitely saved money by implementing the system. We've consolidated our workforce. We've made our people more productive.
Even though every scrapyard is different, both ferrous and non-ferrous scrapyards stand to benefit significantly from implementing these types of products, including giant leaps in productivity.
In the previous video, we did an overview of how we can streamline the operation in the ferrous facility. We're here at J. Trockman & Sons in Evansville, Indiana, so that we can do a more detailed presentation so that you can see how the software could be used in your operation. In a scrapyard, we'll use different equipment at different locations wherever we find the bottleneck to streamline the process. At a typical scale, this is a ferrous scale. We're going to use a PC and a touchscreen monitor. The reason we picked this technology is so that there's no keyboard and mouse, and you've got the availability to keep your eye on who's in the yard. We also use a barcode scanner. So people who bring their tickets from the non-ferrous scale, you can read that ticket and pull it up. This operation, they use an ATM machine, so we have a card encoder that will encode the dollar amount so that people can get their money out of an ATM machine, and a receipt printer which quickly prints a ticket like this that can be presented to the customer or saved for your records.
The most progressive and forward-thinking scrapyard operators are already taking advantage of Tranact Payment Systems' innovative product line. Thus, they're reaping the benefits of faster customer service, fewer errors, and increased productivity. If you want more customers and a better way of doing business, contact Tranact Payment Systems today at 727-894-5035 or visit them on the web at www.tranact.com.